Good day, grade 12s. My name is Carden Madzokere, and I'm the author and publisher of the Distinction Bound Student Textbooks. And welcome to 1.6 Under Perfect Markets. So, as usual, study the graph below and answer the questions that follow. Clearly, we have economic loss, it's labeled, and we can see here it's shaded. So we already know what we're dealing with. We can analyze it more. The price here is 10 Rand. We know that because price is equal to MR and equal to AR. And we also know that this is the demand curve because the demand curve is equal to MR and AR. Okay, so this is our average cost curve, marginal cost curve, which is also our supply curve. And we also know that the shaded area represents the economic profit, the economic loss. Then we already know that the economic loss that is made per unit is 5 Rand, because 10 minus 5 is negative 5. Then we can just multiply that by 50 to see the total economic loss. And then in terms of anticipation, which market structure, this is perfect. Another one is maybe calculate the economic loss. We should also identify the demand curve. We can identify the supply curve. We can what else can we anticipate? How will this equilibrium position change in the long run? So this is economic loss. In the long run, it will change to normal profit as firms shut down and exit. Well, that can present another question. What conditions should prevail for a firm to shut down? Well, its AR must be less or equal to its average variable cost. Or if a firm cannot cover its variable cost, then it will be forced to shut down. So those that shut down will exit the market, causing supply to decrease, causing price to go up. And then firms can make normal profit in the long run. Okay. With that said, let's have a look at the questions. So the first question here is, what is the visible relationship between MC and AC? Well, the answer that they're looking for in this case is that MC cuts AC at its lowest point. Okay, now this is the lowest point of AC, then MC will cut AC at that lowest point. Then the next one is define the term economic loss. Well, personally, I define it as a situation where average revenue is less than average cost. You can flip it and say it's a situation where average cost is greater than average revenue. Number 3, why is the demand curve horizontal or flat? Well, this is an indication that the firm is a price taker. Okay, so its demand curve is perfectly elastic. I almost said inelastic. If it was perfectly inelastic, it will be vertical. So this one is horizontal, so it indicates that it's perfectly elastic. These are the two extreme degrees of elasticity, perfectly elastic and perfectly inelastic. Then somewhere in between, we have other degrees of elasticity where others would say they are relatively elastic, others relatively inelastic, and somewhere right in between, we call it unitary elastic. Well, so this one is perfectly elastic because it indicates that the firm is a price taker. He cannot influence price. If he increases quantity upwards or decrease quantity, that will not affect the market price because that is determined by forces of demand and supply. Then the last question, calculate the economic loss made by the firm. Well, that's easy. That'll be, I think I did it already. That's 10 minus 15, which is 5, negative 5. And negative 5 times 50, that's negative 2,500. Yeah, I hope I'm doing my maths right. Okay, let's go to the answers. To the answers, did I say 2,500? Wow, that's crazy. Now, number 1, what is the visible relationship? Was it the number 1? Okay, yeah. MC curve cuts AC at its lowest point. Then any other relevant response that you may want to give. Then define the term economic loss. Well, when a business average cost exceeds the price, let's see, yeah, that's what I said. And I also said it the flip side. Then why is the demand curve of the individual producer flat or horizontal? Well, that indicates that the firm or the producer is a price taker. Then calculate. Yes, that's well, they did it that way. I'm gonna take it the easy one. Yes, this one. 10 minus 5, that's negative 5. Negative 5 times 50. Oh yeah, 50, 100, 150, 200, 250. Yeah, 250. I hope I say 250 and not 2,500, because that's insane. That would be 50 times 50. Okay. Well, this is, oh, actually 50 times, I'm crazy, man. Times 50, yeah. Correct, 2,500. Well, this has brought us to the end of this particular lesson. It was very, very short. Well, like, subscribe, share, and I wish you all the best in your exams. Thank you. God bless.